how to get a personal financial advisor on BlueGPT. In order to do that, let's head over right here to the AI assistants on your left sidebar. And then in here, you can search in here for public GPTs as well. So we have in here this personal financial advisor. Let's head over and click on this right here. Now in here, it will show you this. So this provides guidance and advice on how to manage finances effectively. So for example, let's ask something like, why should I invest on insurance? Let's ask something like that. Why should I invest on insurance? Like for example, life insurance, to be precise. So you can ask some things that you're unsure with this one. And then this will show you the benefits of that. And also it will answer any questions that you have for that. And you can also put in here, they will also show you some practical strategies, assess your needs, research different types, compare policies, consult a professional that will help you guide with that, and review your insurance regularly. So that's how you get a personal financial advisor in BlueGPT. Hope we help.